Okay guys, so Pool House Renovation is getting close to the finish line. This was an existing two-car garage with a big storage area. And as you can see, we have bricked this in. These are actually the original bricks that we saved that come off of parts of the garage. Framed all of this in, put some great windows in here, bricked this back in. Kelly Gatlin helped us out with this, and we appreciate him. All new vinyl siding and soffit, and then we're going to have 3 recessed lights from the eave lines that shine down the front of the pool house. This is the original door opening that goes in, so let's walk in here and check this out. So as you enter, you're going to see that you've got this great kitchenette area here, beautiful dark gray cabinets. The next thing on the list will be putting in countertops, and then of course after that we can set all of our appliances. This will be used like a pool house, guest house type of environment. So there will be a refrigerator here, sink, no dishwasher in this situation, but there will be a washer and dryer that sits side by side. So all the appliances will sit out here in the open. Along this back wall over here where I am is going to be a floor to ceiling storage and pantry area, so you can put lots of food items, game pieces and parts and whatever for storage inside of here, and it looks great. Chris Sanchez with Sanchez Trim Works did this for us. Carpet Shop helped us out with a great flooring selection. They always do a good job. The floors look beautiful. Kind of has a little bit of a marble look to it, but this is definitely a porcelain tile. When you come out of that old part of the original garage, this is an add-on, and we vaulted this ceiling. So we'll have a ceiling fan that hangs from the center of the room, flanked by some recessed lighting. And then we've got this focal wall in the back that's painted a different color. Great bay window overlooking the back lake pond. I guess it's probably a pond, not a lake, but it looks lovely. The homeowner is trying to decide if they want to put a little wood deck out here to sit on, or if we're just going to do a set of steps down to the yard, because this does slope down quite dramatically. Let's take a look back on this end of the house. Headed back up front, you're going to take a left into this little alcove. To the left here of the alcove, there's a walk-in closet with lots of storage. It's a little dark in there, but you can see probably through the camera what that looks like. Good size space. To the right is the shower room, master bathroom. You've got a sitting space. You've got a great little vanity there, bathtub. Big walk-in tile shower. I don't have any lights in there for you to be able to see right now, but it's a great little shower. And then of course you've got a toilet and some linen storage space there to the left of it. So the next thing up are countertops, appliances, and then we're ready to set our light fixtures and just punch this thing out and move on to the next one. I hope you guys are liking these. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.